Well, hello, friends. It's Running Kimono, and we have a little midweek haul. So grab a cup of coffee or grab an iced coffee if that is your style. And we have got some pretty sizable and reasonable deals, money makers, and really good deals at the various stores. So we're going to talk about Walgreens first off, and we're talking about in-store deals. I actually physically went into the store to make this magic happen. And we're talking about this $4 store coupon. For the last couple weeks, it's been printing out for like buy two Doves, get a $4 register reward. It's this, which is the store coupon. It's a little bit more tricky to use, but I'm going to show you a really good deal that I stumbled into. This 170 count Q-tip is 2 for $6. If you look at the tag at the bottom right hand corner, it says to July the 30th. So that is valid right up until Saturday. This is a month-long deal on these Q-tips. And this is a cheaper one because I know there was one for like $4 or $5, but I saw these at a store and I was like, "Hello, my friend." So they are 2 for $6. The third one will ring up for another $3. That'll be 3 for $9 on the nose. So I'm trying to pair that store coupon, and then when I buy 3 as per the tag, I'm going to get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. So picking up 3 of these is $9 on the nose. I'll surrender that one $4 store register reward. I'm also going to throw in $5 in Walgreens Cash. I will pay down the tax. And then it is to buy 3, get $5 in Walgreens Cash. I will be getting back that $5 in Walgreens Cash. So basically, I'm losing one $4 store register reward. If you're anything like me, I have about like 6 or 7 of these in my wallet. Q-tips is one thing that we barely get deals for, so I think this is a very smart flip. I'm going to talk about 2 supplementary deals before I show you my haul. I did a $40 basket. Just because I think these are deals you should do. So the Colgate products at $3.99 a pop. So the brushes, the mouth rinse, or the paste. They're $3.99 a pop. Buy 2, get back a $4 in Walgreens Cash. And just to show you, I know a lot of you are like, "I need to see the tags. I don't believe you." Here it is. So it is the products at $3.99. I would go for either the mouthwash or the brush because we get toothpaste all the time for free, especially mouth rinse. Like, we rarely get deals on that. But we have this wonderful 4 off of 2 digital coupon, so load it. It expires on Saturday. Grabbing 2 of the mouth rinses for $7.98. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, you're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens Cash, making it essentially for free. If you're doing this deal on its own, like no booster included, yes, you can use that Walgreens Cash, spend it to earn it. Same as the Q-tip deal because it is on a buy offer if you look at the tag really quickly. And that's what it is. You can roll that Walgreens Cash, spend it to earn it for these sort of scenarios. I know, super uber confusing. Okay, the next little dealio that we have is on the Dove body wash, and just because this is like $8.25 at Dollar General and like $11 at Rite Aid, that I'm like, this is the time to stock up, guys. Like, the house is on fire. They're $7 a pop this week, so it's either the body wash or the bar soap. What I will suggest is to grab 2 of a kind because it seems like the digital coupon will come off no problem if you're grabbing 2 like items. I know, super stupid. This showed up again. We had one the week previous, so I guess it's our Christmas. Another 7 off 2. You're going to have to load this digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of the body washes, that's $14 on the nose. Subtracting the 7 off 2, you're paying $7 out of pocket. Getting back that $4 store register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 each. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use a little bit of Walgreens Cash to earn that $4 store register reward. How lovely is that? And it's just an opportunity to get some really cheap body wash. If you wanted to use this register reward in your next transaction for the Q-tips, super uber smart. Okay, so for this basket, I had an $8 of Walgreens Cash paper booster when I spend $40, plus 1 manufacturer register reward. See where my thumb is? If you'll see manufacturer, thus you can use that. I'm not going to use any store register rewards, only this one, like the $4 store register reward from Dove. You can't use it in this transaction, but you could use this manufacturer one for $5, and I believe I got that the week previous. The $8 of Walgreens Cash when you spend $40, I'm pairing it with the $5 of Walgreens Cash when you spend $22. So I have to grab a basket of at least $40 of merchandise, and this is what I grabbed. The 2 Doves for $14, we just walked through that deal. For $7.98, the 2 Colgate Optic Whites, and then I got a myriad of P&G detergent products, a bag of Tide Pods, the Tide Liquid, and then 2 of the Downy Calm. Those are buy 4, get back a $6 register reward. So just to show you like what I grabbed, and you can grab any scent that is tagged for $5.49, and these are the 25 loaders of the liquid. And here's the tag. So to grab 4 to get that $6 register reward, that is a really good deal. And then I also grabbed the Tide Pods. And why I'm grabbing this rag tag is because there's dollar coupons for all these products, which they haven't done in the last couple of months. So house is on fire. I'm doing this deal twice. I did it earlier in the week, so I just decided to repeat it. And 2 of the Downy Calm. These are really nice to use as well. Just to show you the digital coupons, that's the $1 for the liquid, the $1 for the pods. Now for the next product, I actually had 2 similar coupons, like $1 off each. So I had to load $2 coupons for the Downy. And then we have the 4 off of 2, as I grabbed 2 of those mouth rinses for $3.99, the deal I just showed you previously. And then for the Dove body wash, we have our old friend, which is the 7 off 2. At the mathematics for this, 2 of the Colgate rinses for $7.98, 2 of the Dove body washes for $14, and then a mix of the Tide and Downy products for $21.96. So my total right there is $43.94. I had my booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend 22. I got the cashier to scan the 8 back when you spend 40 booster. I had $15 of digitals plus 1 manufacturer register reward. That's $20 off right there. So with my debit card, I paid $23.94. And then I got back $17 in Walgreens Cash, 4 for the Colgate, and then the rest were for the boosters. And then $10 in register rewards, a 4 for the Dove, and then a 6 for the Tide. So it made it free plus a $3.06 money maker. If you don't have that extra register reward for $5 to throw in, it's going to be $2.06 for this basket. Also, do not use any Walgreens Cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using spend boosters with this deal, but a very smart and tidy deal. The next store that we have is Meyer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. There is no sister store to this. You either have the store or you don't. So please don't ask in the comments. It's specifically in the Midwest. Just do a little search on the internet if you may or may not have this store. But typically it's like Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, like Midwest, Wisconsin, Minnesota. So this week, these Vaseline in the regular skincare aisle, the ones that are $1 a pop, you're going to grab 2, and they have a buy 2, save $2 instantly. So I grabbed 10 in one transaction, and yes, you can grab more than 2. 10 and then $10 came off instantly. I didn't even have to pay tax. So this is a very rare freebie, and nobody's really talking about this on social media because I don't think there's a lot of Meyer shoppers out there. But I do know there's a handful of you that watch my channel and you're big Meyer shopper, so I would definitely be on the lookout for this. And if you can line it up perfectly, look for this in the skincare aisle. That's where it's found, not where they have all the chapsticks, but that aisle. And maybe you will be lucky and score a bunch of these. So here is my Rite Aid haul, and I'm always like, I'm not shopping there. And then look what I did. I'm always lying in this channel. I don't know what my problem is. So I did grab $30 of Cetaphil. The Big Daddy is $18.69, and the smaller one on top is $12.69. The promotion for that is to buy $30, get back 8. So I just grabbed what I could. I also had 1 insert coupon, a 6 off of 2. So I used that in concert, and it scanned perfectly. But here it is, $8 when you spend $30. That is a tall order. And then just to show you, this is the coupon from last weekend's Smart Source, and it scanned no problem. Sorry I didn't grab a photo, but these Nature's Bounty vitamins, they are $14.99, BOGO 50% off. No coupon for that, but when you buy 2, you get back $14.99 from IBOTTA. And just to show you guys, so I got my Nature's Bounty back from IBOTTA. I got back 10 cents for vitamins, 10 cents for sleep aids, because the vitamins I got were like a melatonin one. I got $4 back from Cetaphil and 10 cents for any rebate. So that was like $19 back from IBOTTA. So this is a rebate app everybody should be using. And then just to show you this week, spend 50, get back 10. So that's why I got a $50 basket. Plus I had a 6 off of 40 that I received last week when I was over at Rite Aid because I never shopped there. So I wanted to use this, and yes, you can use these 2 together. So just going through this math again, $30 of Cetaphil lotion potions for $30.98. 2 Nature's Bounty vitamins for $22.48. So the total here is $53.46. The cashier scanned the 10 back when you spend 50. Plus I had that one 6 off of 2 Cetaphil from the Smart Source of July the 24th. Plus I had that one Rite Aid coupon. So I paid $41.46. I rolled a bunch of bonus cash I already had on my store card. I got back 28, 10 for the 50. The Nature's Bounty is 5 back for each, and then I got $8 back for spending 30 on Cetaphil. I also got $19 back from IBOTTA, making this free, plus a $5.54 money maker. I know it's only 4 chintzy items, but still, that's not a bad little basket if I do say so myself. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.